today. Hope you are keeping safe. Welcome to my channel, Ridhma's Kitchen. Please like and subscribe to my channel to get all the recipes and don't forget to press the bell icon. Today I am going to make bread snacks or bread canapes. It's a must-try recipe which is loved by both kids and adults. The recipe is extremely simple and can be made in minutes and everyone will love it. So let's start with the ingredient. For the bread canapes, we will need some breads, 1/4 cup sweet corn, half cup onion, half cup cheese. You can take any processed cheese. I have taken mozzarella cheese, half cup carrots chopped, half cup bell peppers. I have taken red and green bell peppers. You can take any bell pepper, yellow, orange, any you have, or even only green is fine. I don't have mushroom, but you can also take mushroom with this dish. It tastes nice. Some cookie cutter, butter, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon coriander finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, and some oil. I have put the pan on the heat. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat a bit. Our oil is hot. I am going to add green chili to it. Then onion. Mix it well. It's been 1 minute since my onion is cooking. Now I am going to add carrots to it. And mix it well for 1 minute more. After 1 minute, I am going to add ginger garlic paste to this and mix it well. At the same time, I am going to add bell pepper and let it cook for 1 minute more. Now I am going to add corns to this. This is optional. As I said, you can add mushrooms, broccoli, any vegetables that you have at home. You can add them. Now I am going to add salt and garam masala powder and mix it well. Now I am going to add coriander leaves. Our mixture is done. Now I am going to switch off the gas. It took me hardly 10 minutes for all the ingredients to cook. Don't overcook it, otherwise the color of the ingredients will go. We want our dish to look colorful. Now I am going to switch off the gas and let it cool down a bit. Now I have taken 2 slices of bread and I am going to cut it with a cutter. I have cut the bread with a cutter. For 1 canapes, we will need 2 breads. I have cut the bread with a bigger cutter. Now I have taken a smaller cookie cutter and I am going to make a smaller circle with it. Like this. Slowly we have to do. And this is how we are going to make our canapes. I have managed to make 5 canapes out of 10 bread pieces. As I am going to bake it in the oven, now I am going to grease my baking tray with little oil, because we are going to put the bread disc in these. Just lightly grease it with oil. I have greased my baking tray with oil. Now I am going to put butter on my bread disc and keep it in the baking tray like this. Another one, keep butter and keep it in the baking tray. Next, I am going to put little cheese on top of the butter that we have put on the bread disc in all the breads like this. After the cheese, I am going to put the other disc on top of the base like this. Press it lightly so it doesn't fall off when you are moving the tray. Now I am going to put a spoonful of the vegetable mixture that I have prepared on top of the bread like this. Slowly. I have put the vegetable mixture in all of my bread discs. Now on top of these discs, I am going to add little more cheese. You can add as much or as little cheese you prefer. My kids love cheese, so I'm going to add a little more. All our canapes are done. Now I'm going to lightly brush it with oil on all the sides to help in even browning. Very less oil we need to put. Half teaspoon in each of the canapes, or even 1/4 teaspoon in each of the canapes is fine. In the meantime, I have preheated my oven at 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. My oven is getting preheated at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After it is done, I am going to increase my temperature to 200 degrees centigrade and bake it for at least 10 minutes. At 200 degrees for 10 minutes. Our bread canapes are out of the oven. They look delicious. I will let it rest for a couple of minutes, then I am going to serve it. I hope you like my recipe. Please read my notes for clarification or ask me any question in the comments below. Thank you all for watching my video, and if you like my recipe, please subscribe to my channel so as not to miss any new recipes. I will try and post the new videos soon. Till then, take care and bye. Stay safe.